Hi, I'm Brandy. This is How Not Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Alana Fairchild White Light Oracle. I got this in a box. I have glanced at it, and so spoiler alert, it does not contain any people of color to the best of my knowledge, and I will confirm that as I go through this, which to me is really unfortunate. So, because I know this artist does do oracles with people of color, so just like very thick book, lots of information. It's pretty. I don't know if the art is my favorite. It's thick. It's pretty large size deck. Let's go through it. Ishtar's Lion Gate, Karma of Cthulhu, Garuda Suparna, Alabaster's Tablet of Layla. I mean, that might be somebody of color, maybe. The features are not what I would identify as. Sovereign Queen Maeve, Ivory Wish Fulfilling Crow, Davara Patra, Oracle of Chaldea, Telepathy of Terra Mater, Pearl of Sharo. Maybe that one is a personal, maybe. I don't know. Sacrament of Extreme Unction, Yeshi Tosyal, Lasya of Parvati. I mean, that doesn't look like a Parvati to me, but I don't know. Shaktipat of Seahorse, Vulva of Cedar, Beatitude of Sacred Rapture, Epsilon Modulation, Aura of Gamma, Deer of Delta, Theta of Venus, Alpha of Alcyone, Beta of Spirit Wolf, Soph-R, Seraph of That Hurts, Spirit Owl, Sol Faluti, Tantra of 639 Hertz, Mandala of the Heart, the Sun of 417 Hertz, Spirit Bear, Yogini, Bastet, Perfume of Sophia, Sacred Scar, Archon Barbello, Dakini of Infinite Light, Bath Cole, Seven Blessings of Eve, Shakina, maybe that's a person of color, maybe, Queen of the Nagas, Anapausis Obodire, Cupio Dissolvi, and Magnetism of Eros. I don't know. I have not connected with this deck. I have not liked the artwork. I have not liked the words. I have not liked the theme. It has not been my favorite. I don't know. So, I guess for me, what I'm saying is it's not intuitive for me. Yeah, it's not intuitive. For me, it's not really, I don't know. And maybe there will come a time when I understand it better, or when I get, a moment to really, where it speaks to me, you know, then that would be a time when I would be able to delve more deeply into this. But as of right now, I don't care for it. And that's, I mean, I have a lot of decks that I don't care for that I've gotten in boxes. And then maybe over time I will resonate more with it. I don't know. Please give me your insight on this deck. If you have it, this is a pretty new deck. I don't know if it's popular or not. It's not something I probably would have chosen for myself, but it is what it is. So please let me know what you think in the comments. And as always, please like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon.